Hello everybody, this is a short video about advantages of using the noticing approach to grammar teaching and learning. First of all, by using this approach, the teacher uses the context in which the new language is presented. It means that the new language is explicitly presented in a text, reading comprehension task, or a recording. Of course, learners carried out exercises about comprehension, and they also are exposed to a task in which they infer the new rule. That is, through the use of concept check questions, learners are guided to discover the grammar rule in which they identify the form, they identify the use, and also the meaning. Once learners have been exposed to comprehension, making inferences about the new language rule, well, they use the knowledge acquired and they applied it in a productive task, which is a real situation, or a situation that is likely to be found in real life. So by using this approach, learners have several advantages. Not only through making inferences, they increase their critical thinking skills, but also they find the new language in context and they use the new language for communicative purpose in a productive task. Well, thank you very much. I hope this video can be useful for you.